with the space that we work with, like with product management and tech, is there is a lot of ambiguity, expertise, and
Mm-hmm.
you don't always have the full picture.
Mm-hmm.
So I've personally been trying to kind of balance the whole like my brain thinks it knows what's going on, and I like to kind of like have that direct conversation with the fact that I've also been like, I'm chances are I'm not the smartest one in the room in any given
Right.
situation,
Mm-hmm.
and you probably don't want to be because then you're not learning from people. So it's kind of like balancing that, like, when do I need to just be like assertive, straight up, quote unquote, like call people out
Right.
versus one, it's like be kind of empathy. It's like that empathy versus tough love type thing where, like, who knows, like maybe someone's like having like a bad day or a week or something, and they do a great job with the other stuff they work on, but for
Mm-hmm.
whatever reason, they're sandbagging on your thing. On
Yeah.
one hand, you don't want to be like too aggressive with
Right.
calling them out because then it's like, well, now your name has like just a bad ring in their own mind. And chances
Mm-hmm.
are, kind of like we were talking about, how you have all these different expertise areas across a big tech company and you are reliant on each other. If you
Mm-hmm.
ever like need to reach out for that, like that person for something, it's like now you're kind of starting from an awkward place.
Right.
But then on the other hand, it's like, well, we all just can't be super empathetic and accommodating.
Yeah.
And sometimes, like, just having that direct confrontation, just even be like, hey, dude, like, what's up, kind of thing.
Mm-hmm.
That's that could, like, A, bring up, just help you bring stuff to light and
Mm-hmm.
reveal that there's more going on in the situation than you know. Or maybe you can
Right.
just like finally ring some sense into the person, because if you don't like call someone, it's like kind of like that balance where it's like you can't just go around calling everyone out because no one's gonna like you
Mm-hmm.
and you're gonna just not gonna be able to get stuff done. But
Mm-hmm.
you also just, like, I don't know, if you never call anyone out, no one ever learns. And then you just kind of have like people like going around the ecosystem like causing problems, but no one is
Right.
afraid of like speaking up.